It's even got the cuts. Well, that's the crossing. We're off to go find some food, something to eat. So that crossing is a bit nuts. Over 3,000 people in one hit can potentially cross over the crossing, which means that's a lot of people. You can't walk anywhere quickly here because there's just way too many people.
Got upstairs?
Yep. That's right.
That's chicken, isn't it?
Yeah, you can cook it. I think you cook it yourself.
Yeah.
Do you want to give it a go? Yep. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Are we? Okay. 4. What?
As long as it's no stairs.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's fine. Cool. No worries. That's all good. That definitely says chicken.
Mm-hmm. Chicken and beef.
It's a chicken beef burger.
Chicken and beef. Chicken and broccoli. What's that? Can you tell me what that is?
That is one of them. Konnichiwa. It's like an old style ranch. Yep.
That's cool.
That's not. Oh, look at this.
It's got flavours on it.
Got the menu.
Look, oh, that's that one.
Juicy steak. Chicken steaks. What's that? That says chicken.
Chicken and steak.
And
Both
steak.
of them.
Can you just get the chicken?
Yeah.
Could I get the chicken and broccoli one, please? Do you have beer? Yeah.
No.
No beer? Well, that says premium malt.
Just
Premium
that one.
malt.
Yeah.
Oh, just that one.
Yep.
This one will be perfect. This one, yes. Yes. That's my favourite beer now. My favourite. Favourite, yes. Yeah. Yes.
No, I don't.
Look at that.
We've come to the steakhouse. We've got to have chicken.
Having chicken at the steakhouse. But they're having chicken. No, you're having steak.
What's your running?
I'm cooking it myself, aren't I, though?
I don't know if you are.
Well, I think I am.
No.
Am I not?
Sorry.
Are you cooking it yourself?
Don't know.
I don't
That's the
think so.
sizzle plate.
It's already cooked, but it comes out on that.
We will find out if we're
I
cooking
swear
this
the other guy had it on
ourselves.
a barbecue.
Hmm. Shane, no offence, but there's 2 of us. We're dressed for the occasion.
Yep.
What's missing?
I know how to eat.
No, you don't.
What?
I know how to eat.
How many times have you brought it on you?
He's the biggest dribbler I know. How good? My little apron or bib. I'm probably not sure I'm going to keep this on the whole time, but we'll see. Is it recording?
Yes, it's now got 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
Why am I trying this?
Because you ordered it.
I ordered the premium beer.
Your restaurant of choice, your food of choice. Have you sipping? Come on. Come on.
Do you sip it or is there a spoon?
It's in a cup, you sip.
Man, it's very hot.
Come on, VG man.
Smells like 2-minute noodles, like chicken
there you
flavour.
go. You can have it, what it tastes like first.
Is it lovely?
Keep drinking. Keep drinking.
How's your stomach?
I may be visiting the toilet later.
As good as. Come on.
You want to try
Come
some?
on. No.
Scoop some seaweed out.
No. No.
Yeah, it's got time for seaweed.
Venus is better. Come on. He-Man.
It's not bad. You remember when you get the chicken soup, like the 2-minute noodles and it's chicken flavoured? It's a little bit like that.
Yeah, cool.
If you keep telling yourself that.
Yeah, cool.
Try some.
No.
Michelle's brave. It does. It tastes like. It tastes like.
It's alright. I would like a bit of seaweed, please.
You're going to eat the seaweed.
Come on.
You,
You try it.
why would you eat that?
Because you do.
You don't seriously eat that.
Good. It's medicinal.
You do.
It's medicinal.
You like spinach? This does not count as your death.
Swallow. Like you tell all the boys. Swallow.
Oh, it's like rubbery chewy.
Go on, drink it up.
Might settle your stomach.
I don't reckon. It's rubber. You try it. It's like rubber. Film her while I have a drink. Is it nice, Michelle? Nice and rubbery. It does taste like chicken 2-minute noodles, doesn't it?
It's fine.
If you tell yourself.
In case you would eat it, drink it, whatever you do.
I don't.
Just like,
Come on, Mr. Perko's Travels.
Why don't you try it?
Mr. Perko's Travels. Want to be Mr. Beast?
Yeah, Mr. Beast. He gets more subscribers a minute than I get forever.
Yeah, because you don't do this kind of stuff.
yeah, put some of this in it. Put some.
Wasabi.
I've already tried. Well, you know I like wasabi, so there's no issue there. Why are you putting that in my beer glass?
Oh, wrong one.
Come on.
Oh my fucking god. When I ate the chilies raw in Singapore, it was way hotter than that. That wasabi's nothing.
Yeah, drink it.
I'm not having any more. I've got a beer.
You're going to drink it. It's food.
I'm not going to be able to make it out the building.
I don't care.
I'm done. Jeez, that's quick.
Thank you.
Oh, ho, ho. Don't touch the plate. Wow. Arigato. Oh, yeah.
Okay. I need it more than that, please.
Yeah, food.
So you're gonna cook it.
I know it's got to be cooked.
Is my chicken not cooked then?
Oh yeah, just let it go through it.
Want some broccoli, Jamie?
You should have some broccoli, sorry.
You will have some if you want some.
Make it shit.
While I wait for my meal to cook, I think I'll go back to my beer. Really good. Cheers. I haven't eaten any yet. I'm waiting for my chicken to definitely be cooked. Look at that.
Have you got a charge of the coaching?
Yes. Look at that. I should be in the kitchen, really. Cooking. It's one-handed stuff. Just never easy.
You should be an expert at that.
Yeah, funny one.
No, you're an issue.
Lovely. All right, we'll be back in a minute when it's cooked. I know I look stupid in my bib, and it's part of the fun.
You look stupid without the bib.
But someone didn't put a bib on, and now someone has all the splatters on them. Not Michelle and I. We don't, because we wore our bibs. So it's for the splatty stuff. All right. Should we try a bit of this?
Shut up and eat, dickhead.
All right. I bet it's going to be hot.
Love you.
You needed that sauce.
I need sauce.
Yeah, that.
I need sauce. The original, and still the best. So a bit of sauce. The sauce is not the best. Yeah, they put the napkins
Thank you.
in the table. Whew. That's still a bit too hot. Can't touch. Really enjoyed the food. I would say if you come here, it's not far from the Shibuya Crossing.
Definitely come here for the
Yeah.
steakhouse or chicken.
Yeah, come here to the steakhouse, get yourself some chicken. And if you like steak, get yourself some steak because it's really good. They're not serviettes.
What did they get?
They're more napkins, like bibs.
They're serviettes.
Oh, there's serviettes.
Oh wow, they're like cheap toilet paper, you know, and just...
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much.
You feel like you got to say it for us?
Yes, I say English and then in Japanese. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, it's a bit cold now.
Point the road this way, apparently.
Okay, the steakhouse. Done and dusted, very nice. Chicken was perfect, the beef was good, or the steak. Broccoli was good. And the best thing, my beer was excellent. So if you are looking for someone to come, I reckon you come here. Oh, look at that. It's even got a moo cow. Ooh. Hello. It's even got the cuts. All right, on to bigger and better things. Here we go.